What's up my friend, and thank you for supporting my channel. I hope I have more to share with you. Okay, so this simple Bluetooth speaker, it was sent to me because of no power issue. So let's find the problem and try to fix it. Okay, try it to plug it in and boom. Nice, the charging port is still good, and maybe if the battery is charging. Plug it in again, even the power switch is turned on. Ow, I think the problem is from the power switch. So let's open it and see what's inside and look for the problem. Oh, nice speaker. 5 watts, 4 ohms and almost 3 inch. Okay, the first you can test using multi-tester is the battery, and look if this have enough power to powering again. Okay, nice, still good. The next is the switch. You can able to track the switching terminal of the switch pin based in the motherboard. Okay, I need remove the motherboard. This is the whole motherboard, and here's the switch. This is pretty small and compact board. Switch pin though, the battery terminal. Okay, I found the switching pin, and I can put my screwdriver tip to the switch pin and boom, it's working. So the main problem is the switch, and I need to replace it. I can put this tape to the audio IC to prevent overheating, or maybe it's dropped with soldering lead. That's my another good tip for you. This switch cannot be fixed again. Fix it, it won't last long, so it needs to be replaced. Okay, I found another switch from the scrap, and I think it's pretty similar. Nice. So let's install it and see if it's working again. Now, the switch is absolutely good without any gap it to the conductor. If this have a gap, the power supply is stopped during I squish the switch. Nice. Okay, the problem is solved. Let's back all the parts again to return this item to the owner. I hope you learned something from this video today. Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you.